How to repost post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted to repost someone else's post on Instagram, you can follow up the steps and you can quickly and easily do that. So let's just get started. First of all, open up your Instagram and find the post you want to repost. So you can just head over to one of the person's profile and look out for the post that you want to repost, or you can also find up the post from your feed if you want. So for example, what I want to do is, let's say I want to repost this post from this particular user. So for that, you can go ahead and look out for the post. This could be a photo, video, or even a carousel post. And here, when you find that post that you want to repost, what you can do is look for the share icon right beside the comment, this one right here, the plain icon. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once tapping on it, you'll be finding different options for it to be reposted. So if you want to download it and repost it as a post, you can just go ahead and do that. Otherwise, we also have an option called add to story. So when you go ahead and tap on add to story, it will be loaded on your story section. You can just go ahead and find it right here. And if you want to repost it, you can just go ahead and post it on your story. And that's how you basically repost something on your story. And that is it. Now you have successfully reposted a post on Instagram. So if this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.